Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX 450h versus BMW X5. We'll dive into their core attributes, helping you understand what each offers. We'll look at how they perform on the road, their fuel economy, and the comfort of their interiors. My goal is to provide clear insights so you can confidently choose the best luxury SUV for your lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Lexus RX 450h, a plug-in hybrid, provides a combined 30 miles per gallon, making it very fuel efficient. The BMW X5, however, offers more powerful engine options. For instance, the xDrive 40i model boasts 375 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. The X5's plug-in hybrid variant delivers an impressive 483 total system horsepower. Both vehicles offer a refined driving experience, but the X5 generally provides stronger acceleration. Inside, the Lexus RX 450h prioritizes comfort with a beautifully laid-out interior and advanced safety features like the Lexus Safety System Plus. The BMW X5 presents a more driver-centric cabin, featuring a cutting-edge infotainment system with a curved display. Both vehicles offer high-quality materials, such as leather upholstery and generous space for passengers. Standard features in the X5 include heated front seats and a panoramic sunroof, enhancing the luxury experience. When considering long-term value, Lexus consistently ranks high in reliability and boasts lower average annual maintenance costs, around $550, compared to BMW's $1,000 to $1,700. Lexus also holds its resale value better. The BMW X5, on the other hand, is celebrated for its engaging driving dynamics and prestigious brand image. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize long-term dependability and efficiency or a sportier, more performance-oriented luxury SUV. For easy meal prep solutions, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.